Okay, you're ready to get your YouTube channel optimized. What the heck does that mean? What does $99 cover? We're going to tell you. First of all, I want to thank you for coming to us. You're now aware that you do need to have your YouTube channel optimized. And if you haven't figured out yet if your channel is optimized, you can click the link there. We actually have a video that you can see if your channel, if YouTube even knows who the heck you are, you can click that video. Okay, now, $99, what does that cover, Scott? Tell me what it includes. All right, first thing, we're gonna identify the correct keywords that are associated with your channel. What are your videos about? And now, many people make this mistake where they'll just put fitness, golf. You can't do that. You're competing with the major brands. So what we do is we look for the correct keywords so that you will get found on the first page of search results. What we do is we look for high search, low competition. If you throw up the word golf, you'll never get found. But if you throw up a keyword like golfing over 50, there's a better chance you're going to be in the first page. You want to be in the first page, and we're going to do that. We're going to identify the correct keywords for your channel, and that'll be the start for your search engine optimization, because your YouTube channel is basically a web page. And just like you need your website to be optimized for Google to identify it or understand it, to look for it, to search for it, you need to do the same thing for YouTube. So number one, we're going to identify the correct keywords. Number two, we're going to write up a search engine friendly description for your channel. And that will include the keywords we just found for it. So now it's like a summary of what your channel is, so someone comes to it, they'll say, oh, these videos are about blankety blank. They'll have a better idea. That's the number two part, really key part. Third thing, customization. You've got layout, branding, watermark. There's a bunch of things on your channel you need to do that's going to keep people on your site longer, get them to subscribe, show the brand that you are, and a lot of things, it's kind of like the back door or behind the scenes type of thing that you need to tweak in order for people to know what your channel is about, keep them on. It's basically making the site pretty more optimized. So that's the third thing. But that's what you get for $99. We usually can do this in a day or two. All we need from you is, hey, my channel is about this, my videos are going to be about that. We can figure out who your competition is and see what kind of keywords they're using and use the correct keywords. We'll get you found. You're going to be amazed at how much more traffic you get once your channel is optimized. So in the thing below, you can contact us, or if you're on this page now, order now. We'll get it done. Usually a day to 2 days we can get it optimized. You're going to see a huge improvement in your traffic. And if you like what you heard here, subscribe to our channel. We'll show you YouTube SEO tips, all the neat things you can do. Contact us today, order now today. We'll get you set up. Want to thank you. Thank you again, guys.